Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and welcome to our Irish family. Today I am going to do a Laundro-Chat with you guys. So that is where I sit down, fold my laundry and chat to you guys. So pause this video, go grab your laundry that you need to fold and we can do it together. That is the whole purpose. This Laundro-Chat was the brainchild of Michelle Pearson. I'll have her linked down below so you can check out her channel and her Laundro-Chats. I just really like it because I get two things done. I give you guys information I want to give you, and also I get my laundry done at the same time. So sorry if the light keeps going bright and dark. I'm sitting in front of the window and the clouds are passing over the sun and I can't control that. So basically the first thing I'm going to talk to you guys about, and I've mentioned it a couple of times, but this year it is going to be something that I'm concentrating on, is my blog. So I have a blog, ourIrishFamily.com, and basically I'm going to be doing a lot of different content there. Well, some of it will overlap with this YouTube channel, and some of it is content that you won't have seen. And especially if you're not following my Instagram, you won't have seen probably most of this content, you know. So it is, if you're interested in following, there's going to be, like right now, I did a blog post about a trip. We made a trip to an aquarium and the beach with Ava, so that's there up now, so you can check that out. I'll have that linked below. So that is something that I haven't shared on YouTube, and I did share a couple of photos on Instagram. So make sure that you are checking following my social media just to kind of keep up. I'm also this week going to be putting out a video and a blog post about my favorite pancakes, because on the 11th of February, so next Tuesday, is Pancake Tuesday here, or Shrove Tuesday, or Pancake Day, and I'm just going to share two different types of pancake batter that I make, and also 5 ideas of how you can put toppings on them and so forth. These are ones that we do when we're making them, so that's going to be an exciting blog post and video for you guys to check out. So that is something to look forward to if you're interested in seeing what type of pancakes we make. We make crepe style and normal pancake style. So yeah, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, and also that you are following my blog. I'll have a link below where you can do that. So basically I just wanted to highlight that you know, while you do follow my YouTube, that my blog content is going to be different. I'm going to be also putting up a blog post this week of where how I got on with January in regards to the personal and business goals that I set. So I put up a video at the start of January, and in that I shared what business and personal goals I wanted to complete for 2018. And in this week's blog post, I'm going to share how I got on, if I achieved everything I want to achieve, the pros and cons of the month, and that sort of stuff. And I'd love your guys' interaction over there, because I really do appreciate your comments and opinions on everything. So yeah, I just wanted to highlight that as the first thing in this video. Also, something that I wanted to talk about is on Friday's video I did a day in the life video with myself and Ava, and in that I mentioned I had a severe tooth pain. My teeth were, my wisdom tooth, my upper right wisdom tooth was extremely sore. I had gone to the dentist earlier in the week, and she should I say, referred me to an oral surgeon to get them surgically removed. Well, long story short, on Friday I got my wisdom tooth out. I attended a different doctor, so I got a second opinion on it. He did x-rays and all that sort of jazz, and he said, look, I'll be able to get it out. So I did, and the relief of it is great. But now I'm still having a lot of pain. There's blisters in that area now. It's obviously sore because of the tooth was digging into my gum. That is sore. As I said, the blisters. And also I got my teeth cleaned, and that's really sore. Like, my teeth are really sensitive now. So it's one thing. It's always something, isn't it? Like, you can't just get your tooth out and feel relief. It's no, I got my tooth out and now I'm feeling more pain in different areas. So it's still kind of tough to eat, to drink, to open my mouth to talk. Right now is sore, so I have an antibiotic that I am taking, and also I take some painkillers every couple of hours. So I'm probably sure at this stage the painkillers aren't doing very much to me, because for the past 2 weeks I've been popping painkillers, which sounds like I have some sort of addiction, but I don't usually take painkillers. But yeah, so I just wanted to give you guys an update, because I know on that video a lot of people were sharing their wisdom tooth horror stories, and that they have pains and holes in tooths and all that sort of stuff. So I just wanted to share an update on that and to just let you know that I got it out. It feels great that it's not there anymore, but I do have like blisters and loads of crap now in my mouth that's making it sore again. And then another question that has popped up a couple of times recently, and I wanted to address it here, is why I started a YouTube channel. I keep getting questions about how to start a YouTube channel, why to start a YouTube channel, and I'll probably do a separate video on it, but I just wanted to share why I started a YouTube channel. Back in 2013, myself and Robert went traveling the world. We traveled for 6 months. We mainly did Southeast Asia, and then we spent a month in Australia. So we did Japan, China, Hong Kong, Vietnam, Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore. So we did all those countries. And after we came home, as I said, we were gone for about 6 months, and when we came home, we decided, because we had been in a relationship for 8 years, that, you know, it was time for us to start to have a baby. So we tried for a couple of months and that was really happening. So then I started researching online, and I stumbled across videos on YouTube of ladies sharing their experiences when they're trying to have a baby, and it got me really interested in it, and I learned so much about like tracking my cycles, what I should take, different types of like all those sorts of things, that just sharing people's journeys with them. You know, I made a connection with these people, and I decided, I like this, I'm going to see if I can start my own channel. So I basically just had a camera, I had my MacBook, there was iMovie on my MacBook, and I just recorded like this sitting down, and I spoke about my cycle, and then I did weight loss, and I would, you know, comment on other people who were TTC their channel and like interact with them, and eventually they'd follow me back, and you know, that sort of stuff. Like not being the whole sub for sub, like, hey, I have a YouTube channel, come and check out my YouTube channel. None of that. Like, it was all like personal comments based on the video, and from them they clicked on my channel, and you know, they followed me back, and some of them still follow me now, and it's great to have seen their journeys like 4 years on, you know. So anyways, that's how I started it. It was 2013. I just wanted to have somebody to speak about my journey with, because nobody in my personal group of friends was going through the same thing as us. Like, nobody was trying for a baby, and if they were, they weren't experiencing any difficulties with it, you know. And you know, I spoke to people in my own group of friends, and you know, none of them wanted to have kids at that time. Like, their relationships were still young, they weren't in a good place for it, and so on, you know. So that's what happened. That is why I wanted to start one, just to kind of connect with other people in the same situation as myself, and it just grew from there. Then eventually we did get pregnant in 2015, July of 2015, via IUI, and then we had Ava in March 2016, so she's going to be coming up 2 soon. Like in 40 something days she'll be 2. Like I can't get over that I'm gonna have a 2-year-old. It freaks me out. Like I can't remember what she was like when she was a little baby. Like she was never a small baby. If you guys have been following me for a long time, you'll know that she was 9 pounds 5 ounces when she was born, so she was never a small little petite baby. But I just can't remember her being a baby. Like I look back on videos, that's why I love YouTube, because I can look back when she was a month old, 3 weeks old, and see what she was like and what she was doing. And yeah, I can just look back, and I obviously have photos and stuff as well on my phone, but it's great to look back at the videos and see what she was like and little cute things that she's done that you just forget about, because time moves on and your memories move on, if you know what I mean. Like your brain is constantly trying to catch up with what you're doing now, so sometimes it just doesn't store those little things and little noises that she made that you used to love, you know. So yeah, that's really why I started it, was to share and connect with people when I was trying to conceive the first time. And it's grown so much now. I have 6,400 or something, nearly 6,400 subscribers. You know, I never imagined that I'd get this far. It took me forever to get to 1,000 subscribers, you know, and it is slow growth. It's slow growth compared to some people's channels, but my engagement is good, and I feel like the people who do take the time to comment on my channel, I really do learn some stuff about them, you know. And I've built a nice little community for myself here. There's not very many negative comments, thankfully. The odd one, you know, but that's life, you know. You also have like a negative friend as well, you know. I know I do have some like negative friends or acquaintances. Don't really like to spend very much time with them people, but you know. Anyways, that is it, guys. I just have some socks to match, my favorite. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. As I said, I just wanted to share with you guys about my blog, and I wanted to share an update on my tooth situation, my wisdom tooth situation. Oh, something's falling over. The wisdom tooth situation. So that's it. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, please do give it a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel when you thumbs up and comment on my channel. You know, it helps my engagement, which therefore lets other people find this video and find my channel, which is how I grow, you know. Subscribe if you are new here. I put out videos 3 times a week. I have a range of social media on my Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, a blog. You know, follow me on those platforms and you might get some different content to what I share here. Definitely on Instagram I do share a little bit more day-to-day type stuff. And that's it. I'll talk to you very soon, guys. Bye.